Good morning, people. It's 7:21 in the morning, Friday morning. Start making this video because I want to have memories of this day because it's a very important day. Finally, we managed to, Ines and me, finally we managed to buy our apartment. And yeah, today we are exchanging keys with the company that is selling this. So let me show you a little bit. Let's go on the balcony. We can even see it from this where I'm here now is our old apartment. Wow. GoPros, not really for the zoom, but somewhere around here I will show you maybe in the zoomed video, really like across here, maybe 1 or 2 kilometers, like airline there, the building you can see. So yeah, I mean, it's a big day for us, so I decided to document a little bit today all the things that we'll be doing, and maybe document a little bit how are we going to work on the apartment. It's pretty much like naked, you know, only floors and walls, but looking forward to it. It will be a nice few months finalizing it. So yeah, let's move on for today. Back home, it went very well with the carpenters. We managed to get like good combo pack and deal for the whole kitchen, 2 custom-made closets, living room cabinets around the TV, and like the cabinet for the bathroom. So really nice, guys. I enjoy the first now like talks and negotiations and how we're gonna do it. I believe they will do a really good job. Yeah, next step is now in 1 hour and a half the exchange of keys with the landlords, with the current investor of the building. So we are almost there. Ines and I will be going there very soon. Until then, keep in touch. Apartamento.
Evo, draga Ines, izvoli, papiri od stana, ključ, zadnji ključ. Želimo vam sreću u novom stanu.
Prezentacja? Wow.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
Guys, so it has been a hectic day. Didn't manage to maybe film everything, but it's 14th of February. It's Valentine's Day. It's actually Valentine's Day. So Ines went. My plan went a little bit south because I wanted to be a complete surprise. It won't be a complete surprise, but I still think it will be a little bit of surprise. It is. She went to the apartment, to our old apartment, to get the laptop and to get some cups and drinks and so on. So I prepared a little bit. Look at this. So, rose petals. Follow it here, up to the table, by the window, on the 8th floor, with the view. So I'm thinking of dimming down the lights and leaving the one on the balcony, so it looks something like this. Let's see how it will be for her. I think it looks nice, eh? Živeli.